Your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're gonna look at these earbuds, these Redamax model Leo. I bought these for $35. Right now they have a sale. You get a $10 discount. So I literally got it for 25 bucks. We're gonna open it up and see what we get. Stay tuned. Alright, so I wanted to buy some earbuds and I'm in a budget like always. So I found these for 35 and then I realized you get a $10 off. So I got it for 25. Let's see what let's take this plastic off so I could read it better and see what we get. Alright, so on top it says sweat resistant, smart charge casing, hand freeze call. In the back it has 5.0 Qualcomm QCC 3020. Ear time is 1 to 2 hours. With music is 5 to 6 hours. Talk time is 4 to 5 hours. Charging time is 2 to 4 hours. So it should be pretty decent, and especially for basically $25, you really can't complain about it. Let's see what we get in it. All right, put this to the side. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna open it up. All right, we got a little pamphlet in Japanese, I think, or Chinese, Japanese. We got an English manual right here. It tells you everything that it comes in. Pretty dope. Okay. We got a little contact warranty kind of thing, product review. Thank you for ordering our stuff. Dope. Okay, we got it's micro USB charging cable, not bad. Wish it would be Type C. We got some kind of magnet. I don't know what is this, but let's keep it there. Let's open these back up real quick and push this to the front. So we got these ear holder, flyer, whatever you want to call it, so it could be stuck. You get different size. You get large right, or left right, left medium. So you get size small, large, and medium. Small, medium, large. There you go. Ear tips. Make sure that you get correct fitting in your ears. And then it's the case itself, which, let's move this out of the way. Cable, we'll just put it here. The ear tips, let's put it on top. Let's see, let me open it up real quick, see how the ear tips look. All right, so small. Oh, come on, stay still. Medium, and then large. So you get 3 options to make sure that they fit good. And then the ear wing, what I want to call them. Let me see, this is small left. I guess this one is small right. There you go. This one is medium left. And then right, left, and right. There you go. Make more sense. So let's open up the case. Let's see how they look. The case is pretty big, and let's see the ear tips. Oh, and it's fully charged. It has 4 LED lights indicating how much charge you have. So let's open it up. Close it up. See, let's open it up. It's 4 of them, so 25, 50, 75, 100%. So let's take out the earbuds, how they look. They have 2 drivers, one for the tweeters, the treble, and one for the bass. That's what interested me the most. And in all reality, it comes with 4 ear tips because one comes in the case. Pretty nice charging case. Nice size, nice heft to it. Let me pair them up to my Note 10 Plus, aka Nipsey Blue. Let me pair it up and let's see how it works. All right, so let's go to connection, and then we're gonna go to Bluetooth, and then we're gonna I guess open it up and see if we could get a connection somewhere. We open it up. It don't have no pairing button, if I'm not mistaken. Nowhere. So to pair them up, we have to put the earbuds inside, right? And then we flip it open. Okay, let's turn it off. And now we're going to turn it on. And something should come up as Leo. There you go. The Leo Max right there. Yes, we like to pair it. Okay, so it's pair itself. So right now it's pairing. All you gotta do is put the earbuds in there, close them up. It's not there anymore. You open it up, it's gonna connect right away. No hesitation. Let me put them in, and I'm gonna take a picture to see how they look in my ear. It's not bad. It feels nice and comfortable, nice and snug. I actually kind of enjoy the ear tip that it come in here. So now we're gonna play some tunes. They sound pretty, really good, especially for 25 bucks. I don't get no no delay when it comes to the voice. The sound pretty good for 25 bucks. I can't lie about it. So let me keep playing it. If y'all want this song, I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. This is my boy Snatch Flow, Illegal Alien. Definitely shows your support. Let them know that it comes from Kartoon Reviews. It has nice bass, nice treble. You can hear the difference separating everything. I really can't complain about it. Opening it up, pretty smooth, pretty standard. Let's see if it comes out. Nope, actually the case, let's see. Definitely stays in there, got good magnet, can't complain about it. I did the ear shaking, it wouldn't come out. Dope. And what's cool about this is that it is wireless charging, so let's try it out. So I got a little wireless charging pad here, and let's see if it charges up. See the colors? It's charging up right there. Let me try it this way. I guess it gotta kind of register that it's charging. So I guess the only way you could really charge it if it's standing up, which is understandable. And y'all can see the colors underneath it if y'all can't. But it is. Hopefully y'all can see the little colors around it. It's charging. Let's put it this way. It's not charging. So y'all can know that y'all can't lay it flat like this. You have to stand it up, which shouldn't be a problem. Pretty dope. One thing about these cases that is pretty dope is the Bluetooth 5.0. It's the brand new standard when it comes to 5.0. What that means is that you get a better connection and low to maybe none lag when you watch a video on YouTube or Netflix, like I showed you earlier on YouTube video on my boy's music video. And I did a distance test to see when it started cutting off, and I got about 60 feet. Basically what I did was I took steps, and I'm a size 11 and a half, depending with sneakers, and I just took 60 steps, and that's when it started cutting off. So probably a little bit more because I did a little gap between my steps, but to get 60 steps, which is in my calculation 60 feet, pretty good. That means that you could leave your phone around your house and around wherever you at, and you go to a distance pretty far without getting any kind of distortion on your music or whatever you listen to, your podcast. Anything that you listen to is definitely dope, that you know that you could get this from these earbuds. So my opinion, should you get this? Yes, for 25 bucks, everything that it comes included with it, you really can't beat it. $25 as a gift to somebody, even to yourself, if you want to get one of these bad boys. I definitely recommend it. I will have a link down below for these earbuds. $25 for somebody. Definitely dope. They're definitely gonna enjoy it. It has nice fitment for my ear. You have to try out, for somebody else, you have to try out the ear tips, see if they fit them. But it's definitely something that you should get for somebody. If you could get it for 25, even for 35 bucks, definitely a dope gift that you could give somebody. Or get it yourself. Wireless charging, good fitment. It feels good in the ears. It didn't fall out. Definitely dope. I'm gonna leave a link down below for these products, and also a donation link down below, because I'm not getting, if y'all go to the link for Amazon, I'm not getting no kind of profit out of it. Amazon has this new thing that they want you to have 500 subscribers, and right now I'm at 175. So I need a little bit more to get me up there. So if y'all can help me out and let people know about my channel, subscribe, or you want to leave a donation down at the links below, I definitely gladly appreciate that. It's your boy Kartoon. Well, before I forget, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share my videos in every different platform. I would gladly appreciate it. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.